Hello students, so the question is Mr. Valentino covers one-third of the distance by a fastest motorbike at the speed of 150 km per hour, half of the remaining distance by a taxi cab at the speed of 75 km per hour, and the remaining distance by cycle at the speed of 25 km per hour. What is the average speed for the entire journey? Now the options given are A 50 km per hour, B 75 km per hour, C 80 km per hour or D 85 km per hour. Now let's check the solution. So the total distance be D kilometer. Let the total distance be D kilometer. Now distance covered at 150 km per hour equals to D by 3. As per the question, Mr. Valentino covers one-third of the total distance by the fastest motorbike at the speed of 150 km per hour. So distance covered at 150 km per hour equals to one-third of the total distance, that is d by 3 kilometers. Now distance covered at 75 km per hour. As per the given question here, half of the remaining distance by a taxi cab at the speed of 75 km per hour Mr. Valentino is covering. So half of the remaining distance. Now d by 3 is already being covered. So the remaining distance is d minus d by 3 and half of the remaining distance. So half into d minus d by 3, which is equals to d by 3 only. So distance covered at 75 km per hour is equals to d by 3. Now distance covered at 25 km per hour. So the remaining of the total distance is by cycle at the speed of 25 km per hour. So the remaining distance will be d minus d by 3, that is distance covered at 150 km per hour, minus d by 3, that is distance covered at 75 km per hour. So d minus d by 3 minus d by 3, which is equals to d by 3 again. So the average speed of the entire journey will be the total distance by the total time taken. The total distance is d kilometer and the time taken to cover d by 3 distance is d by 3 into 150 km per hour speed. Time taken to cover d by 3 distance, this one will be d by 3 into 75 km per hour, and time taken to cover the remaining distance will be d by 3 into 25 km per hour. So the total distance by the total time taken, the equation we are getting here is d whole divided by d by 3 into 150 plus d by 3 into 75 plus d by 3 into 25. On solving the equation, we are getting here d whole divided by d by 450, that is 3 into 150 450, d by 450 plus d by 3 into 75, that is 225, d by 225, and d by 3 into 25, that is 75, d by 75. So d whole divided by d by 450 plus d by 225 plus d by 75. On solving this equation, we are getting d whole divided by d by 15. Now dd will cancel out and the speed or the average speed of the entire journey comes to be 50 kilometers per hour. Hence, option A 50 km per hour is the correct answer.